You are still making presentation manually. That's exactly why you are falling behind. In this video, I will tell you how can you create a professional presentation in minutes with AI. First, open a web browser and search for Tome AI. Now scroll down a little bit. Click on this link to open the website. Now it is time to sign up. I am signing up with my Gmail account. Here, simply click on Continue. Here you can see the main prompt box and many options with it, like generate PPT, PDF to PPT, YouTube to PPT, and so many. Here you can increase or decrease the number of slides you need. Here you can change the style. If you want illustration, you can choose this one. And if you need classic style, you can choose classic or with nano banana. So choose nano banana. So let's start creating our presentation. I wrote a simple prompt, so let's see. Now if you are a free user, you will wait for 8 minutes. If you are a paid user, it will start creating instantly. Now our 8 minutes has passed and it started creating presentation. My presentation is ready by just waiting for some minutes. Now I am going to underline all headings and also change it to italic format. I am just giving another prompt and it will start working on it again. After completing the prompt, just tap on send button and it will start working again. So we will wait for another 8 minutes because we are using it in free. Now you can see all the headings are underlined and also in italic format. So if you want to change anything in it, you just give a prompt and it will work on it.